Namatai kwekweza auya akanyora tsamba kugara munyika yeZimbabwe aiwa achivatenda pamusoro maefforts avaisa pakukeptura kwanga kwakaitiwa maabductions nematocha nethe regime. Sanapinda mashoko anobuda nyugo pana mudo wa subscribe or like or turn on the bell icon. Tipina paendo pake Namatai kwekweza anyora achiti, friends and comrades, I continue the fight for a free, democratic and safe Zimbabwe, a country in which state machinery is used to protect citizens and not weaponized against them. In my case, I've watched in shock as different institutions have lied to keep me and my co-accused locked up for 35 days. My conviction is in truth, particularly the concept of Satyagraha truth force that MK Gandhi believed. There are some absolute truths that cannot be denied even with 1,000 lies. It is an absolute truth that I was out of Zimbabwe when the stated offense was committed. It is an absolute truth that there is an ongoing crackdown on civil society activists and an opposition of the government in Zimbabwe. It is also an absolute truth that many of those arrested in the Jameson Timber case are still in prison. I believe in truth and that the truth will set me free, literally. I move forward in the struggle for dignity, in strength, in hope, in solidarity. Aluta kundinyua, your friend Namatai. Ndo mashikanotoka pana Namatai kwekweza achiti aiwa, yes, zviri clear kuti aiwa kesi yakasungirwa nayo for 35 days nevamwe vake vaviri vana Robson Chere aiwa akanga asiri muZimbabwe ende ndenhema kesi iyoyo. Ane achiti nana Jameson Timber vari musungo vari kakepture nethe regime, vanhu vaya vari innocent. Ane achipromisa magaro emunyika yeZimbabwe kuti aiwa I will stand nemi nekumirira mahuman rights. Pinai kumasection medu mutisa mafungiro enyu, musana subscribe or like and turn on the bell icon.